Here we're demoing another STEAMiE engine module. This one is called Force Momentum, and it is designed to teach force and momentum to 8th grade science students. Here we have a virtual world. It's a nice playground, and there are several boxes. Some are up on the platform, others are down on the playground. And then there's a model of the solar system floating above it. And what the student does in this game is they can drive the car around, and what I'll do is I'll just kind of move the camera right over here and get a nice close-up of the collision. And what they do is they drive the car and they can crash into boxes, and at each collision the engine is actually recording the values of the force and the momentum at each collision. So if I click here and I look at the Show Data button, I can see that the collision and the force and the momentum at each collision has been stored for the boxes that I've crashed into. And so if I drive the car up onto the ramp, we have to use our turbo booster in order to get enough velocity to land on the ramp. There we go. And so you can see right there that we have some famous scientists on these boxes. Here's Albert Einstein, and we can set up to crash into this one, and we can move the camera any way we would like. And if I begin the collision, there we go. We can see we hit the Einstein box pretty hard. So if I go to Show Data and I go to the Einstein box, you can see here that the mass of the Einstein box is 10 kilograms, and the force wound up being around 4 newtons, and the momentum was 405 kilogram meters per second. There is an accompanying worksheet that goes along with this, where the students will then try to manipulate those equations to find the unknown variable.